Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Plug your Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV and power it using the included USB cable. Use the TV remote to select the matching HDMI input where Chromecast displays its setup screen. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use for casting. Check whether your router broadcasts to 4 GHz or 5 GHz, and that it uses WPA2. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet to begin the setup process. Tap Add Device, choose New Device, and select your home location when prompted. The app will scan and display the Chromecast. Tap it to connect and see a 4-digit code on your TV. Confirm the code in the app to secure the connection and allow configuration. Choose a name for your Chromecast and enter your Wi-Fi password to join the network for casting media from apps. If casting stutters, move your router or Chromecast to reduce interference and improve signal. Restart the Chromecast, your phone, and the router when connections fail or updates stall during setup. Use the Google Home app to check for firmware updates and apply them when available to improve reliability. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button for at least 20 seconds until the LED blinks white. Reconfigure Wi-Fi settings afterward using the same Google Home setup steps described earlier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.